Right, so now let's switch to IntelliJ, and basically what we need to do in order to install Spring Data JPA is the following. First, open up the pom.xml, and in here we're going to add two dependencies. So scroll up where you have the dependencies list right here. So dependencies, and in here I'm going to add this dependency here. And this will be spring and then dash and then boot dash starter and then dash data JPA. And in here the org, so this will be org.springboot. And you can see that that has resolved, and basically you can see that this actually has been included for us, right? We don't have to do anything magic because it's actually present within the parent POM. So here, so basically in here we have the parent, and this is the parent, right? And then using dependency management, we can just include whatever dependencies that we want from there. Now the next thing that we need to install or add is PostgreSQL. So here, let's go ahead and say the artifact will be post and then GraphQL. And then that will come from org.postgresql. There we go. And one thing that I want to add in here is that the scope of this, so scope will be at runtime. Now, if this is red for you, go ahead and basically right here, right click, and then go to Maven and then reload project. And you can see that resolving dependencies, and we are good to go. Now that we have these two dependencies, again, let me just add a space there for you to see the dependencies, and you can grab these two dependencies on the description of this video. So we have Spring Boot Starter Data JPA, this one here, if I put full screen. So this allows us to basically interact with our database, and this is the actual driver that we need for Postgres since we are running Postgres database. Next, let me go ahead and show you how to connect to our database.